Hello lovely folks, this is just a quick update video to let you know where things are with the channel and what to expect over the next few months. It's also an opportunity for me to say, if you would like to join in on the 2K AMA, this is the video where to put your comments and your questions so that I can answer them for you in a video, which we'll do once we hit 2,000 subscribers. I cannot believe that we are almost at the point of having 2,000 subscribers. Honestly, it blows me away and I am so grateful. I'm also really careful not to tap that microphone when I do that. But thank you all so much for being here. If you've got anything you want to ask, it can be anything. It can be Viking related, it can be completely random. It's like, what's your favourite dinosaur or your favourite rock? I don't mind. This is a chance for you to get to know me a little bit better. And also, if you've got anything that you'd like to see in the future, pop down in the comments what videos you'd like to see and I'll give you an idea whether that's something I'm likely to be able to do for you. So with that said, the next thing that I want to talk about is what's going to be happening with the rest of the series. Now at the moment I'm getting all the scripts written, I'm doing all the planning, I'm getting everything together so that fingers crossed that series of videos can come out really regularly once I'm underway. I can't promise that there won't be the odd blip because, you know, crunchy bodies do things. Sometimes I can't film. However, I will do my absolute best to get those out for you regularly and get the series done before Christmas, because it was my plan this time last year to have this done sort of January, February time. But as with so many projects that I begin, I want to do it right. And I want to make sure that everything that you need to know is in there. And that means it takes time to do. It takes time to write the scripts, it takes time to prepare all the materials, and it takes time to film it in a way that's going to be useful to you. So bear with me, it's all coming, and thank you so much for being here on this journey with me. It really does mean a huge amount, as this series is the thing that I wanted to do. It's what made me start the channel in the first place. I did a few practice videos, half the channel, before I was ready to do it, and now we are, and that's what this year has all been about. Next year, we kind of got the reins taken off. We can go in any direction you like. I can do some of the things that have been brewing away in my head all through the last year or so, going, yeah, I want to do a video on that. Yeah, I want to do a video on that. There's always more ideas and plenty to do next year. But now this is your chance as well to say things that you would like to see that I can put into the schedule for you if it's within my capability to do. So thank you all ever so much once again. This is also a point at which I can say I don't do this very often, but every now and then I do draw attention to the fact that I have a Ko-fi account. If you're finding all this information helpful and you'd like to buy me a coffee to say thank you, that's the place to do it. So, as always, there is no obligation to do that, only gratitude if you can. So take care of yourselves, folks. I'm off to keep working on this next part of the series. Loads to do in the next few months, and Hastings coming up. Awesome. Can't wait for Hastings. So excited. So whatever you're working on, enjoy it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.